Deciduous shade trees are often planted on the south side of a property, where they cool the landscape in the summer and let the sun warm the ground and home in winter. Even a small property can support a small shade tree. The best small shade trees have a dense canopy, good form, are non-invasive, are pest and disease resistant, and don't make a big mess when dropping their blossoms or fruits. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best small shade trees for your front yard. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Okay, here are the best small shade trees for your front yard. Number 1. Eastern Redbud. Cercis canadensis, the eastern redbud, is a large deciduous shrub or small tree, native to eastern North America from southern Michigan south to central Mexico, east to New Jersey. Species thrive as far west as California, and as far north as southern Ontario, roughly corresponding to USDA hardiness zone 6B. It is the state tree of Oklahoma. Number 2. American Hawthornbeam. The American hawthornbeam is a species of Ostrea native to eastern North America, from Nova Scotia west to southern Manitoba, and eastern Wyoming, southeast to northern Florida, and southwest to eastern Texas. The American hawthornbeam is a small tree, never usually exceeding heights of 18 meters, and usually lingering around 15 meters. Number 3. Autumn Brilliance. An excellent four-season interest tree, Autumn Brilliance serviceberry bears white flowers in spring, delicious fruits in summer, outstanding fall color, and attractive silvery gray bark. It is a smaller shade tree that either individually or in groups can create shade for a patio, deck, or yard. Number 4. American Hornbeam. American Hornbeam is a wonderful addition to small yards, and is also perfect for a natural landscape or as a specimen tree. The hardwood of American Hornbeam is used to make golf clubs, tool handles, and mallets. American Hornbeam is more difficult to transplant than European Hornbeam. It should be transplanted balled and burlapped in the spring. Number 5. Acer ginala. Acer ginala, the Amur maple, is a plant species with woody stems native to northeastern Asia from easternmost Mongolia east to Korea and Japan, and north to the Russian Far East in the Amur River Valley. It is a small maple with deciduous leaves that is sometimes grown as a garden subject or boulevard tree. Number 6. Sugar maple. Maple is another variation of the sugar maple that is grown in the south, USDA zones 5 through 8. It is a smaller tree, reaching 25 to 30 feet tall and 15 to 30 feet wide, making it a good choice for patios and decks. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below, and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you next time.